Hi there. Now we're gonna speak about something extremely important for the human race since the planet was made. There's the principle, the only principle that even Jesus, if he existed, he said in the New Testament, the only rule in the world is to treat the other how do we want from the other to treat us. So we're gonna speak about respect. Tough, huh? What is respect? We demand respect nowadays, but we don't give respect. We think we are the greatest, and the others maybe are our slaves. You want to be treated like a royalty member. Show that you have blue blood, royal blood. Show that you know how to treat the others. Treat the others the same way that you want to be treated by the others. There is no shame to say please. There is no shame to address ourselves to the other with madam or sir. There is no shame in saying thank you. There is no shame in saying pardon, my fault. It was not my intention, but without intention, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. How can I make it right? If we all would be able to use those words, hello, madam, sir, how are you? Please, thank you. Pardon, my fault, I didn't mean to. How can I fix it? If it's necessary for this, we would live into a world who wouldn't need police. Why would you need police? If everybody would be grateful with each other, we would treat each other like human beings. Yeah. We don't take advantage of anyone. We don't make any abuse. Would be easy. But nowadays, the employers only want slaves. They are the royalty and the rest are just slaves. And we need to fix something if we don't like by going to a higher force from the state which can punish the employer or go to the lawyer or some neighbors think they are more important than others, or some people think they are more important than the others, and that's why we must go to a lawyer or to any other entity which is higher than us. But if we would know how to treat each other by hello, what can I do for you? Is there something that I did wrong? Pardon, I didn't even know. I didn't even realize. How can I fix it? If that is necessary. Or hello, may I please have this from you? You go to a restaurant and you ask for a bottle of water, for example. Sir, madam, miss, May I please have a bottle of water? We are all human beings. It doesn't mean that if you are the client, you are always right. Yes, you are the client, of course. Those Horeca institutions will treat you with more respect because they want you to be their client. But this doesn't mean that you have to take advantage of the kindness of those institutions, because those institutions are kind with you more than normal kindness with a reason. They want you to stay more and to consume more. But in the same way, they also treat you right. So you should treat back in the same way. This is my opinion. This is what I also recommend. And we go back to the first amendment, let's say like this, what Jesus said, if Jesus existed or not. And it's written in the Bible. Treat others in the same way that you would like others to treat you. If we would respect this sentence, we wouldn't need police, lawyer, judge. Why? If we all live in harmony, why would we need somebody to protect us? From who? Treat your animal beautiful. You chose that animal. For example, if you have a cat, let's say like this, don't leave the cat outside to stay nights and nights and days, because at one point that cat will eat from the garbage. That cat will eat a bird which has eaten from the garbage. That bird is infected. That cat will eat a rat or a mouse which has eaten from the garbage. That mouse or rat is not hygienic anymore. Your cat is not going to be the same as healthy anymore. If you live close to a forest, okay, you can leave the cat outside. This is also a respect that you give to the animals. You have a cat, you have a dog, you have a bird, you have any other animal. Treat the animal with respect because you chose that animal. If you don't want that animal anymore, give it to somebody else or to another institution which can treat the animal right. Show that you are a human being and not a savage. What are we different from animals? Let's say from predators. We have a higher developed brain. We can speak. We can use our hands and our legs. For example, in football, we can shoot the ball with both legs. For example, in fighting, which is also stupidity, but it exists, we fight with both hands. Let's put something more beautiful. We work, we make a form of art. We can paint with both arms. We can work in wood with both arms. We can swim with both arms. Yeah? So we normally are higher than animals. As long as you know how to treat an animal, it shows that you are a higher developed human being. If you learn how to treat an animal, if you kill a fly because it's possible, instead of catching it and throw the fly out, you don't prove anything. You only prove that you're in underdeveloped primates. So, respect has a basement, a foundation. In time, you were respected and you gave respect to whoever you thought it's better to give. Now, make an exercise for you, please, and show respect to everyone. It's your label in here. Show them that you are higher than you really are. Prove yourself that you can do more than this. Respect the others, respect yourself. Respect the people who you speak with words, with actions. Respect yourself by letting yourself to be happy. Eat something better. Don't eat the cheapest product. Through cooking, they're not gonna become better. No, it's gonna be a different taste, but the quality is not gonna be better. If you chop an onion, which is not very good, you put it on the fire, it's gonna have a sweet taste when it gets cooked. But of course, it doesn't mean that the quality is better. No. When you eat something, don't put trash in your body. Avoid as much as possible fast food. If you cannot and you are on the way, okay, you eat something, then nothing. At least drink a lot of water to help the body regenerate. Drink some lemon juice, other fruity juice. If you want to treat yourself better, drink something better. Drink something good. Better than eat something from the fast food, eat something from a restaurant if you have no choice. Why am I saying if you have no choice? Because not even the restaurants don't respect clients as they should. They don't wash the vegetables. The meat, if it's cooked, is not gonna be properly taken care of. The cooking will be good, yes, but before cooking, the products are not treated as they should. Of course, it's different if you go to a Michelin star, but you don't have money for the Michelin star, probably. So what I recommend is to buy yourself food, whatever you like, if you have time. So I'm not gonna be absurd and say don't eat this and that, don't drink this and that, but if you don't have time, you have no choice. So you need to also consider your time. You need to also consider your money, because it's also important. If you don't have money to buy a good quality, then you buy what is possible. And keep it in mind, you are the only one who can respect himself and not really the others. Don't expect from the others. You can be lucky to have a good restaurant which gives you high quality food. Normally the restaurants are only buying the cheapest food because the prices are high and they want a high profit on this. So don't expect the restaurant to offer you a good quality. The quality of cooking is good, but as I said, before cooking, the products are not treated right. If you will feel sand between your teeth when you eat a salad, that's why. They never wash salad, any vegetable. They don't wash it. Why? I forgot the name of the restaurant. I don't know, maybe 1 week ago it was this happened. When somebody said to me, after I asked, we don't do this or that, the product, and they said to me, more than this, they don't deserve. That's all they deserve. Think twice before you let others treat you with respect. Yeah? Be safe, be respectful.